As soon as you get your new flashy iPhone, the main thing to take care about is how to protect it, and the best option is to buy a good quality case. And if you're into that group who still wants to get a glimpse of your phone's color, then a clear case is the best bet. And in that, the one case that I will always prefer is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Matte Black case. Well, as you can see, this case is a transparent type case, but it's actually not fully transparent. The sides are made of this rubbery matte black material, and this time the sides are flat to match the phone's design. So by doing that, the grip has improved, and also Spigen did a great job by not making it sharp, so even now it's comfortable to hold the phone with the case. And the back portion is a plastic transparent piece, and by my previous experience, it doesn't yellow, but it does attract a lot of fingerprints and does get scratched over time. Spigen did add these raised sections around the four corners to keep the back portion safe, but since it's plastic, you can't avoid those scratches. Then for the cutouts, well, there are proper ones for the lightning port, speaker and microphone grill, and also the mute-unmute slider cutout is sufficiently wide. You can toggle it on and off without much issues. And also the camera section has a perfectly matching cutout, and here the good part with this case is that once it's installed, the camera section gets flushed in and it won't come in contact with any surface if you place the phone flat. Now installing this case is very easy. Just start from the top left corner, then push the top right, and after that do the same to the bottom corners. The case fits in like a glove, and once the case is installed, it stays well without any flimsy points. And here all the buttons are covered, but they do provide excellent feedback, so that's a plus. And here the case isn't a very bulky one too. The phone is still comfortable to hold with the case, and also in the front, as you can see, there is a very slight raised format, so the display is not going to come in contact if you lay the phone face down. But like always, I do recommend to use a good quality tempered glass like I have done here, and this tempered glass is also from Spigen, and I really love the quality of this tempered glass more than that of the case. And also if in case you're interested in buying the case or the tempered glass, I'll leave a link for that in the description section below. Now since we talked about buying, well, the case's price does keep on fluctuating a lot. The price for which I got the case was 1,299 Indian rupees, but now it's selling for 1,399. But at times I did see the pricing to be in the 1,099 Indian rupees range, and I feel the correct pricing should be below 1,000. Well, the quality of the case is good, and like I said, based on my previous experiences, this does last well. But it does show its aging effect over time, like the side matte texture will get worn out and the back transparent plastic will get some scratches too. But still, considering the fact that it won't yellow, and also since it's transparent, it's a great one for people who like such cases. And about the fingerprints and smudges that the transparent back collects, well, that can be wiped off easily, and also even with the case, the natural use seems to be good. And also the side corners have that impact protection, so minor faults won't be an issue for the phone. And if you have a tempered glass installed, the screen should be staying safe too. Then one more thing to keep note is that there won't be much dust accumulation inside, and if you want to remove the case, well, it comes off easily. And by the way, if you're worried whether this case has any rainbow effect issue since it's transparent, well, there was no such problems to be found. So overall, this is a good case for anyone who wants protection as well as who wants to have a clear view of the back portion of the new iPhone 12 or the 12 Pro. And yes, this case does fit the 12 Pro because this time the 12 and the 12 Pro are similarly sized phones. That's all for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, a like is much appreciated and a sub will be great. See you again in the next one. Till then, bye.